Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. This is something a lot of players look for, especially if you want better camera control while playing. The steps are very simple, so let's jump right into it. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and open any game you want. You can choose any random game for this. After the game finishes loading, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the Roblox icon. This will open up the in-game menu with multiple options. From the menu, tap on the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, look for Camera Mode. Tap on the arrow next to it to see more options, then change the camera mode to Classic. Once you set the camera mode to Classic, Shift Lock will automatically be enabled in your Roblox game. And that's it. That's how you can easily get Shift Lock on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.